Hi friends, welcome to my channel once again. So today we are going to discuss one of the simple and one of the useful activities in UiPath automation. Okay, so today we are going to quickly see about the PDF activities. Yes, so we are going to cover the below activities under PDF activities. Yes. Okay, so the first thing we'll see how to manage the package. Okay, so by default we don't have the PDF package into our activities list. We need to import it through manage package activities, and we are going to see read PDF text. We are going to see export PDF as an image. We are going to see how to extract images, I mean only images from PDF. We are going to see how to read the PDF with OCR and we are going to see how to join the PDF files. Okay, so let's start. Let me launch the UiPath Studio and we will just proceed with this. So in this video I'm going to split it. So in my first video we are going to see how to manage the package. It's very simple, and we are going to see read PDF text and export PDF as an image and extract images from PDF. So this I'm going to cover it in my video 1. So in the next video we are going to see how to read a PDF with OCR, I mean the list of OCR, which is quite important, and we are going to see how to merge or join the PDF files. Yes, so let me open the UiPath Studio and we'll just proceed. Yes. Okay, so I can see the UiPath Studio open. So let me go to processes, and I will create a new process, say PDF active activities. Yes, so to understand PDF activities, so let me click on create. So these videos are also for the beginners, okay, who are just started with PDF, so they can refer to these videos. I'm going to explain it from the scratch and keeping the content as simple as possible for you. Yes, and PDF is very important for any kind of automation, because nowadays we are rarely going to see or rarely going to receive the information in, say, Word or Excel. Okay, so most of the time, whether it may be invoice, whether it may be purchase order, right, so whether it may be your bank statement, right, and the salary statement also. Yes, so most of the items you will receive uh, in the form of PDF. Okay, so we have launched the UiPath Studio. Fine, so let me create a new sequence. Okay, so sequence number 1. Okay, so before going to sequence, let me go to activities first. Okay, in activities, when I am going to search for PDF, okay, so I'm not seeing any activities, because the PDF activities we have to import it through manage packages. Okay, so PDF activities will not be coming by default when we install the UiPath Studio or UiPath related software. Yes, so we need to import it through manage packages. So how to import this is okay, so let me click on manage packages. You can see this in the header, or you can call it as the upper ribbon, or as per your naming convention. Yes, so when I mouse over on manage packages, I can see install and update activity packages, right? So you can manage dependency rule, and you can add custom activities. Okay, so I will just click on manage packages. Fine. So when you click on manage packages, you can see one widget here. Yes. So in this widget, you need to click on official. Okay. So it will display all the packages which comes under official section. Okay. So there are so many packages, right, under official. Okay. Now you just need to type PDF. Okay, So it will just list out all the uh, packages, okay, under official section, right? So here you can see UiPath.pdf.activities. So you need to click on this, right? And you need to install it from here, or you can directly install it from this downward arrow mark, right? So I'm just going to click on here and I'm going to install. Then I have to click save. I repeat what we are going to do. So if you don't have the activities under PDF or any other activities, so there might be possibility that you have to install it first from manage packages. Okay, so we need to go to manage packages. Okay, we need to click on official, select the official part and select for PDF. Okay, so you can see so many activities under PDF. Okay, so you need to only install uipath.pdf.activities. Yes. So this is all about installing the packages. Now when I go to activities and search for PDF, okay, I can see all the activities comes under PDF section. Okay, so under PDF activities you can see so many things. Okay, so here you can have export PDF as an image, extract images from PDF, extract PDF page range, get PDF page count, join PDF files, manage PDF password, read PDF text, and read PDF with OCR. Okay, so in order to understand it, you just mouse over on any of the activity and you can see the explanation. For example, if I click on just mouse over on join PDF files, okay, I can see join, it will join multiple PDF files include, and it is included in the package name. Yes, so I will just click here. So this reads all the characters from a specified PDF file and stores it in a string variable. Okay, so this is very simple but very useful. Okay, so let's go to our first activity. That is, we are done with manage packages, right? So we'll go to first activity, very important rather. It is read PDF text. Okay, so in order to do this, what I'm going to do, let me create a sequence first. Yeah, in this sequence I am going to write read PDF text. So this will read the text, only text present in the PDF file. Okay, so let me get some dummy PDF files for our understanding. Okay, so I will just copy this all. Okay, and inside the project I am going to create a new folder to keep all the PDF files. I am naming it as a data folder. Okay, and I am just going to open this up and I will paste keep all the PDF files. Okay, so you can keep any PDF files, you can download some dummy files, or if you have some PDF you can keep it over there. This is just for the practice. Okay, next, then I will go to activities. I am going to get read PDF file, read PDF text. Okay, here you can see this activity, we have to give the file name, means we have to give the PDF file from which we are going to extract the text, right? Let me just go browse this file. So this is my uh, project folder, okay, or the project directory. Inside that I have created a folder called data. Okay, I have so many PDF files. Just for sample I'm going to select invoice number 1 and I will click on open. Okay, so you can provide uh, the path by clicking on this folder or browse file. If you know the path, you can directly put into double quotes data slash invoice or whatever a PDF name. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so what it does, it will go to data folder and it will pick this PDF file and it will read the PDF file, I mean the PDF content. Okay, and this PDF file has a password? No. You, for example, there are some PDF files which has got passwords also. Okay. For your example, some secured information like your bank statement or some other things, right? Just keep it as it is. We don't have a password. And the format, just keep it as it is. Range. How, for example, if you have a PDF of say 10 pages, okay, do you want to read the pages, all the pages, or only first page or second page? That depends. So now I am just keeping it as all. Okay, so this is very important. This will read the PDF text and it will save the text in a string format, okay, in this variable which I am going to create. Text. Okay, so we are done, right? So what it is going to do, I have just created a sequence, then I have just drag and drop read PDF text. Okay, then it will ask the path where I need to go, and you can pass this path by creating variable also. Okay, the important thing is range, okay, and the file name should be correct. So if you are going to directly enter the file name, you have to give the proper path, proper file name, and it's a case sensitive with proper extension, or else you can see the error. And the important is this is the output, and you have to create the variable which is of the type text or a string. Okay, so it will read the PDF content and the content will be stored in string format of this variable. So let me print it. Yes, let me use message box activity. Yeah, so let me message box it, and then what is the output here? PDF text. Yes, PDF text. Okay, let me run this. Yeah, so you can see that I will just open the PDF also. You can see uh, this the invoice file. So this is all about read the PDF. Okay, so this is a very simple, you can use it for reading the PDF. Okay, this is how it will work. Yeah, I hope this is very simple and you can understand it better. So let's move to the next activity, that is export PDF as an image. Okay, fine. So let's move to the, yeah, so here I just, we can do anything we want. For example, somehow we got the text, right? So we can just write this text into a text file. Let's do it. So if I want to write the same information into a CSV, we can do, or we can also write it in a text file. Let me remove this. Text is, okay, what is that? Okay, PDF text. Okay, so the text, this PDF text holds all the information or the content, only text, not image, okay, of the PDF file. This I am going to write it in a notepad. Where I want to create, I want to create a notepad in data folder itself with the new file as new text file dot txt. Okay, so let me run this and see. This is very simple example. So in the next upcoming videos, there are some chances, I mean there are some scenarios where we need to pick certain information or certain string or certain data from the text, and you need to process it in Excel or some web application, etc. So let's go to project and just let me refresh this. I think you can see the text file. Yeah, so it has been created. Yeah, so this is how it works. So this is the data present in the PDF. Okay, so let me open the PDF first so that you can see. So this is the invoice. Okay, okay, so this is the invoice which will be read. Okay, there might be, see, it will just extract the text, okay, not table and all, but each and every text is present. That is sufficient for our process automation. Yes, Okay, let me close this and we'll move to next video, that is export PDF as an image. Okay, so now we have this PDF as the extension as .pdf. For example, if you want to uh, export this PDF as an image like PNG or JPG, whatever format we want, okay, we can do it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new sequence saying PDF to image activity. Okay, so once I go to activity, here I can see PDF. Okay, here we have export PDF as an image. I repeat, we have activity export PDF as an image, and these are all self-explanatory. Okay, file name, which file name you want to export as an image. So I will go to browse file. Okay, I will go to data. You can select any one you want. Okay, I will just select say invoice 4 dot open. Now it will go to data and it will pick this PDF file, and it will get this PDF will get converted into an image. Okay, so where you want to save that image file, it will ask the output file name. Okay, so I want to save the data, I mean the image, into the same path, that is data only, or it's not mandatory that you should keep the PDF files inside your main project directory. Okay, you can keep the PDF files or Excel files, whatever the data you want, anywhere into the system. In orchestrator you can put it in your shared location or D drive, wherever you want. Just for convenience, I am just keeping it in my project directory itself. Okay, so let's go to data and I will just create a new image, that is new PDF to image dot png. You can give any extension, jpg, png, whatever, it's up to you. Okay, so this will be showing the error. Okay, because value for a required argument page number was not supplied. Okay, so this is very important. Here it is asking which page you want to convert, whether you want to convert 1, 2, 3 or what. Actually I have only one page, so I'm just giving 1. Okay, so this will be 1, so I'm just typing as a 1 because I have a PDF of only one page. Okay, I want to convert this PDF of one page into image. Okay, and the name of the image file will be new PDF to img. You can give any name you want though, right? Let me click on run and we'll see. Okay, that's fine. Let me go to project folder and let me refresh this. Yeah, I can see this one. Loading quite slow. Yeah, you can see this, right? So before this was .pdf and now this has saved in a form of image. Yeah, so this is quite simple. Okay, but you need to practice it. Yes. Okay, so let's move to the next activity. What we have the next activity as extract images from the PDF. For example, if you take this PDF, okay, so there are no images here. Okay, let me open one PDF where you can have the images, right? So okay, let me open some PDFs where we can have images. Okay, so I just got one PDF file which has got some image in it. Okay, Yeah, so this is a dummy invoice, and here in this invoice you can see this is an image, because when I select and right click it is showing copy image but not copy text or just a copy. Okay, so this activity will just pick this image, okay, and save the image present on this PDF into a dedicated location. Let me close this off. Okay, so let me go to UiPath and create a new sequence. uh, Images from PDF. So let me go to activities, and we have, yes, extract images from PDF. So fortunately this PDF has got only one image. Okay, uh, okay, so this PDF has got only one image, so only it will pick one image only. So let me go to this folder, let me go to data. I'll have to select the PDF because I have just copied here only one PDF which has got image, rest of the PDF doesn't have images. This is just for your understanding purpose. Yes, I will just click on open. Now it will ask, okay, output folder name. So where exactly you want to pick or extract the image or images from the PDF file and keep it in a folder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just create a new image file, data only image. This is data only image, you can give any name you want. Okay, dot png or jpj, whatever you want to store it. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so the image extension also it will last, you want to save it as png, jpeg, tiff, gif, bmp, etc. So let's keep png. Yes, and let me run this. Okay, it is showing some problem, it is showing could not find a part of the path. Okay, only image dot png. Let me check this off. What is the error? Could not find the path. It means data only image dot png. Let me close this one and I will click OK. Let me change it to png and run. We'll see what will happen. Yes. Oh, could not find a part of the path file data dot only image. Okay, let me open the PDF file and see where the error is. Let me open the PDF file folder. No, PDF. Let me open the PDF. We'll see how this. Okay, I got only one image on the PDF. Okay, now let me check the UiPath now. Okay, so extract images from the PDF. Okay, so the PDF file is this, that is correct. Okay, let me go to file name. This is invoice and this is data. Okay, let me try out this. Okay, data, then okay, so yeah, actually the problem here is we have given our own file name, right? Say uh, PDF to, I mean some images from the PDF. So actually we should not give our own file name here. So the system will automatically creates a new file. We have to just give the output folder name. Means we have to give the folder name where exactly want to save the extract the images or an image from a PDF and save it over there. Yes, so now this will work. Yes, so I want to get the image in a PNG form. Okay, let me run now. This should work. Yeah, Yes, I think this will work. Let me go to data and refresh. Yeah, it has created and it has extracted the image only from the PDF. Yeah, so this is the only image present on the PDF. Yes, so I think in this video that is it. So we are going to uh, check uh, the next session, that is read PDF with OCR, and also we are going to see how to uh, merge the multiple PDF file into a single PDF file, which is very important. Yeah, so yeah, that's it in this video. So just keep login and just watch the second video for the complete understanding. Yes, so if you have any doubt, so just do comment and do subscribe this channels to get more videos like this. Yes, thank you so much guys. Let's see for the next video. Yeah, thank you.